Hello friends, this is your host Mukesh Suthar welcoming all of you to my channel Energy Optimize. In this particular session, I will be again talking about the mechanical form of energy which is compressed air. Why compressed air is essential, what is the history of compressed air, why compressed air is called industry's fourth utility, what are the properties of compressed air and what are the different applications. So let's start. What is compressed air? Compressed air is a gas or a combination of gases that has been put under greater pressure than the air in the environment. In Europe, 10% of all industrial electricity consumption is to produce compressed air amounting to 80 terawatt hours consumption per year. In 18th century, unlike steam, compressed air could be piped for the long distances without losing pressure drop due to the condensation in the drilling of the tunnel to improve the productivity. In 19th century, Paris had a system of pipe installed for the municipal distribution of compressed air to power machines and to operate generators for the lighting. Early air compressors were steam driven, but in certain locations, a trompe could be directly obtained compressed air from the force of falling water. Why compressed air is called the fourth utility of industry? So before to go with the compressed air, what are the three remaining? Electricity, natural gas and water quickly come to our mind when we mention about the utility. But compressed air commonly called industry's fourth utility as it supplies power for many different manufacturing operations. It supplies motive force and is preferred to the electricity because it is safe and more convenient. It is the important medium for the transfer of energy in the industrial processes. It is used for power tools as air hammers, drills, wrenches. It is used to atomize paint, process automation, propel vehicles, brake in the railways. Compressed air is used as a breathing gas by the underwater divers, breathing apparatus used by the firefighters, mine rescue workers, and industrial workers in the hazardous atmospheres. Properties of compressed air. Availability. Air is available practically everywhere in unlimited quantities. Transport. Air can be easily transported in pipelines, even over long distances. Storage. Compressed air can be stored in a reservoir and removed as and when required. Temperature. Compressed air is relatively insensitive to the temperature fluctuations. Explosion proof. Compressed air offers no risk of explosion of fire. Cleanliness. Unlubricated exhaust air is clean. Any unlubricated air that escapes through leaking pipe or component does not cause contamination. Components. The operating component are of simple construction, therefore relatively inexpensive. Speed. Compressed air is a very fast working medium. It enables high working speed to be attained. Overload safe. Pneumatic tools and operating components can be loaded to the point of stopping and are therefore overload safe. Applications of the compressed air. Compressed air is the energy of choice to power a great variety of applications and processes. Today, businesses are finding that compressed air is a true source for innovative solutions and applications. The power of compressed air is used in thousands of applications and is vital to the productivity of industry around the globe. The manufacturer of compressors and compressor system equipment is a large and essential industry that contributes greatly to the economy of all the nations. Compressed air provides power for a multitude of manufacturing operations and processes. So let me go through the applications, different applications of the compressed air system. Pneumatics for the air tools, HVAC control, vehicle propulsion, energy storage, air brake for the railways and road vehicles, underwater diving, refrigeration using a vortex tube, air start system in the engine, air guns, airsoft equipment, paintball equipment, sandblasting, injection molding, food and beverage, and can spray. Thank you.